make you leave me first. My experience tells me that it is only a matter of time. And it's my biggest fear, don't you know this? Being left behind.
In a hole. Holy moly.
That's so
It's
deep.
pretty good packed, and then all of a sudden, yay! 3 feet.
You're gone.
Yeah. So we're just keeping the 2x4 strapping. That's for the strapping to put the metal on next.
Yeah.
But you obviously got to get the 2x4 strapping. No plywood required when you're doing metal roof like that. So we'll put the 2x4 strapping in there, so it's ready for the next time we get here. We came here just to, you know, clean up some snow and stuff.
Yeah.
But we get the strapping in there, so it'll be ready when we come the next time. And that'll be 2x4 strapping. You can check a video up here where we've done that before, so you can see how that goes.
Yeah.
It's pretty straightforward. 2x4, 2x4s on center, 16-inch on center. So you can do 24, but that's only a 412 pitch, so I'm going to stick with 16. We always do 16. Little overkill, but overkill is better than underkill.
Yeah, especially with the snow we get here.
Yeah, so that's why we're keeping it in there, so it's all good to go and ready.
Yeah.
We kind of try to kill a couple things at a time. So the next time, we can just bring the Jeep over, and a lot cheaper than gas, and put that in just with the tools instead of having to bring more lumber. And then when we're done with that, we'll get some more.
Yeah, a little at a time.
Yeah, but right now we're,
Gonna go check the trail cam
yeah, so,
now that we've done some plowing.
yeah, so hopefully we have something, and well, you'll know in a second.
It's super wet, packy, heavy snow.
It's brutally cold.
It's crazy today.
Yeah.
Will get the best of me. I've been thinking of how to leave you, just to leave you first.
You'd think we'd wear our snowshoes, eh? You know, I think I don't wear them because I would have to keep taking them on and off, but I feel like maybe it wouldn't be as much of a hassle, eh?
Yeah,
When you're like this.
that's deep.
Well, and I'm not even on the ground still. He just kind of threw a couple layers, right?
Golly.
I win.
She stays on top, he's deep down.
Yeah, look at the height of this now.
Yeah.
Maybe like us.
Yeah, that's checking it.
So deep.
That's a big old angel. Man, the That part goes in some deep.
I just want to jump in there. Should I?
Sam and I are just exploring. So this is the other part of the driveway that goes around in like a loop around the house that we're building. Is right on the other side of all these trees. And up that way is the front of the driveway. And we came across this little pond here, running water. It's kind of cool.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me.
It's up my hip. I'm
And-
stuck.
It's probably even deeper than that.
Oh, that's really fun.
I'm gonna do it again.
Oh, me too.
I'll
I
just
love
keep-
it. Feels so exhilarating.
And then this.